I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. Looking for more than just a tutorial? Head over to pdtech.co.nz to see how we can manage this all for you.
Looking for a simple way to boost cash flow and spend less time chasing payments? Why not add a Pay Now button to your Xero Invoices to give customers a quick and easy way to make payments? Setting up online payments is quick, simple, and it's free. So head to the Business tab and select Online Payments in your organisation. Here you'll find a list of the options that are available in your region, like cards, digital wallets, recurring bank payments, and much, much more. Click to add an account with your preferred payment provider and follow the prompts on screen. Once connected, your payment provider will appear on your existing branding themes in Xero. A Pay Now button will appear on your invoices so customers can pay you directly from the invoice. Pretty slick, right? You can also choose to manage payment methods directly from your invoices. Offer more than one payment method, like credit cards, debit cards, digital wallets, direct debits, or simply choose to turn them off. It's completely up to you. For more payment tips and tricks, check out the Xero Cashflow Hub today.